Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a heart cake for Valentine's Day. Let's get started.
I started out frosting a 4-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some white fondant and used 2 small heart cutters to make a whole bunch of hearts. And I set them aside, smoothing the edges while doing so. And I did the same thing out of pink fondant. I only cut out the smallest hearts out of lavender fondant. I placed the larger pink hearts in regular intervals around the side of the cake. Then the larger white hearts between the pink hearts. And I placed 4 pink and 4 white hearts on the top of the cake. Then I placed a small purple heart under the white heart on the side of the cake. And a few purple hearts in the center on the top of the cake with 1 heart in the middle. I placed a small white heart inside the pink hearts on the side. And a small pink heart inside the white hearts on the side. And a purple heart inside the white hearts on top. This is a lovely sweet cake, perfect for Valentine's Day or some other romantic occasion. I think it turned out adorable. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Support us on Patreon and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.